Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Brown sugar. Thickening teriyaki sauce with brown sugar will make it unusually sweet, so this option works well if you prefer an especially sweet teriyaki sauce. Unlike white sugar, which simply dissolves in liquid, brown sugar also contains molasses, which is naturally thick.
Make your mark, take our lead.
2 sugar-thickened sauces, spreads, and drinks. When sugar is incorporated into a hot liquid, it melts and turns the mixture into a simple solution. Also, it is important to add the sugar as the last step to make sure your mixture thickens properly. 27 July 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
2 answers. While sugar makes a liquid thicker, it is not considered a thickening agent. A thickening agent, on the other hand, really thickens. It does not dissolve in liquid in the sense that it breaks down into ions swimming freely among the polar water molecules, but creates a hydrocolloid, also known as a gel. 15 June 2014.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can thicken soy sauce a number of ways, with the most common being using cornstarch, flour, rice starch, or simply making a soy sauce reduction. If using a flour or starch, you need to add it to half a cup of cold water. Stir it very well so there are no clumps, then pour the mixture into the soy sauce.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.